Okay, sorry for that, guys. My computer went crazy. I don't know why. I was building the new ISO image, and while I'm building that, I was just going to check the GitHub issues one more time. So let's check Picon one more time. ISO, and let's just check these for now. Okay, Picom is out of sync, so I need to merge Picom. So while it's making the ISO image, I will just go ahead and handle that Picom problem. So let's pull first. Let's check out to origin next. Detached heads. Boop, boop. Git set head to current branch. I don't know how this was handled. Git checkout dash B. Okay, so let's switch and let's git checkout dash capital B to origin next. Check out. Okay. Switch to a new branch. Not. Oh, I'm so stupid. Was it like this or just this? Okay, probably this. So let's pull, and is it dash D or dash capital D? Let's delete this stupidness. And now we need to fetch Yushui next, and now we need to merge Yushui next. Okay, so ISO seems to be done, and let's prepare for it. Let's prepare the ISO. So let's move the ISO to here, and let's run the virtual machine while it's executing. So there are multiple modified files, so let's start them by one. So let's check for these signs. So this is the current version. Okay, let's keep Yushi's version for that. And is no nothing in backend.c. So gl common.c. Okay, let's see. Yes, let's use one second. Okay, so I will use Yushui's again, but I need to add one more variable, the log variable. So because I've changed it, now I need to add that variable to here as well. Okay, let's close this. Let's cd into files, and let's remove the QCOW image, the image that holds that is actually the hard disk, and let's run the installation one more time. Okay, why are we having a black screen? Okay, it's up and running. Okay, cool. We have our wallpaper now, and the installation is here too. So I will hit continue again. Okay, this is still not fixed, and I don't know why this is going to the right. I am not sure, but that could be because of some wrong patch of PDWM. I'm not sure. So I will check that first, because that happened on my computer as well. Word Manager. Actually, I was using Word Manager previously, but I think QuickEmu is simpler to use, at least for now. Word Manager always runs in the background, and sometimes it uses too much CPU, too much memory. But actually, if I will not use a graphical user interface, I just use LXD. LXD is simpler. Okay, it seems I did not add too much updates, so it's probably not caused because of PDWM. I don't know why this is happening, but this is probably caused because of Calamares, I think. I don't know. Let's see. So I will just send an xprop to the root window and try to check which windows are open. So it seems there are 3 open windows, which is odd. Full screen works fine, but this does not work fine. So if I send this to another broken, okay, we have something as broken here. That is what the issue is happening. Okay, let's see. Broken. Okay, what's this broken? It just shows as broken, but nothing seems to be. Yeah, it's still here, and it cannot be closed. That is so weird. So that may be because of I don't know, maybe old files of PDWM. So I will just try to check it one more time. Can settings application be found in here? Let's go to run, and let's run this. Oh, no, not file settings. So let's go to run again. It should be welcome app. Okay, let's see if that fixes the issue. No, it does not. It seems the previous window does not exit properly, I think. Broken. And DWM is not updated recently, so it's probably caused because of it's probably caused because of some recent GTK update, I think, so it is not related to me. That is why I will continue. Do you ask the window manager or the VM? So this is still not fixed, and I will try to fix that first. Let's go to here. Yeah, camel. So etc Calamares, and let's be sudo, and it is caused because of branding, I think, but I don't know what is causing it. So let's open show.qml first. Diff, let's add a diff between these two. So I wonder if these two are different. Yes, they are different. Okay, so this is probably the thing that is causing the issue. Do we have an internet connection here? Why can't I run Chromium? It's not installed. Do we have Firefox? No. Do we have an internet connection here? No. Okay, I will skip it again for now. That's because I am in the office right now and they are using a proxy in internet, and I am having internet connection issues with virtual machines. So I will take a look at that Arco Linux config one more time. Let's go in here. What do I need to write master here? Oh, because it's raw. This should be github.com, and like this. So Calamares, branding, and I think this. So I will just use my phone to have internet connection. I will open personal hotspot. If my voice is low, let me increase it. Sometimes people say that my voice is low. Okay, let's run SYY. And why is Chromium not installed? That is actually interesting, because I think, oh yes, I need to install Chromium. I used to install on Google Chromium, but it's not worth it. Actually, if I can get this as raw, so just the link remains. Okay, I think I can type the link pretty fast. Wait, copy. Oops. Okay, it does not like that because of the virtual machine. So let's do something like this. Oops. UI broke. Okay, no problem. So if we don't have wget. Do we have curl? Okay, at least we have curl. So https row.githubusercontent.com arco-linux-config-calamares-config-branding -arco-linux-new-style-sheet-codes.qss. and let's write this to a file called style sheet dash codes dot qss. Oops, dot qss. Okay, cool. And now, so I will just try to move this file to etc Calamares and branding, and let's try to run Calamares one more time. Okay, it's still broke. Let's try to run it like this. And run it from here. Yes. Okay, these are still not fixed. That is so weird. Oh, did I put it in the wrong place? Yeah, it seems. So style sheet, this should go in here. Let's try it again. No, it's still not fixed. Maybe it's related with show.qml file. It probably is. Show.qml. Okay, let's check this dude's show.qml file, and let's try to take a look at the differences. Align top stretch parent. Align top stretch parent. These seem to be the same. Then let's try to take a look at branding. It probably is related with branding. Okay, then I will try to do something like this. Let's take this curl command, and now let's try to take branding dot desk to branding dot desk. Okay, permission denied. Let's do this, and let's try executing Calamares. Okay, one more time. We can't do that. Files. Let's try it one more time. Okay, that is it. Our QML file isn't functioning correctly, so I will exit this and I will fix that QML file. So color config modules, not modules, branding. This is the one creating the issues. So I just need to do something like this. I will just take this style and where is it? Okay, here. I will replace the styles with that. Let's see if there are any more colors. It seems not. Okay, I think this is it actually. But there's still that broken window problem. That is actually the last problem remaining. I have literally no idea why that is happening. Yeah, I have no idea why that is happening actually. Okay, let me add this first. Afterwards I will try to check that. So let's go to package build, color config. So this should be O1 now. Let's build the package. Let's add it to repo, and I will try to do something like this. So let's go into .config files. I will remove this file. That is the static binary that holds the options for it, and I really have no idea why that is happening, so I will probably just try one more time and see if the error still persists or not. It will probably persist, so I don't think I have this application, but I can probably install it. So I will install it. What was the name of that? Sysinstall. Okay, this. Oh, not that. This app. Okay, so I don't have Calamares. Actually, I can just install Calamares as well. It shouldn't be a problem. Okay, let's see if that problem will happen in here as well. So run. Let's execute welcome app and let's continue. Okay, this issue, we have this issue now because I need to add to policy kit. Okay, that's a pain. I don't want to do that, so instead of doing that I will just do something like this. I will just go to source code of welcome app, and instead of launching Calamares Polkit, I will just execute Calamares here. Let's build this. I hope this won't take long. Okay, let's see if the repository is updated right now. Okay, it seems it is. So I need to go to ISO folder one more time. So my old desktop files and October 23. Remove those two and build the ISO one more time. Okay, so this has a special, that Go thing had some special configs, if I remember correctly. I hope I took a note of those somewhere. Probably not, because I am stupid. Is there any Go thing here? Okay, it's not possible. Then let's just build the ISO. So only Calamares is updated. Yes, it's here right now. Let's see what will happen. I'm curious as well. While this is doing his work, I will go and take a cigarette. Baba çok işim yok. Çok işim yok. Haber vereceğim. Çok işim var mı diyor. Ha tamam sevindim. Okay guys, it seems the ISO is done, so let's try to execute it. So let's move the ISO. Let's CD here. Let's remove the image. Let's recreate the image. And let's run the OS. If this works properly, I will end. Okay, that is fixed as well. Perfect. So everything seems to be working properly now. But now I wanna try it with Lux as well. So yes to encryption. Okay, let's erase the disk. Let's set our password and let's continue on. Okay, so my computer was having those issues as well, so I will get the new pdwmc configs and I will build it now. I hope nothing would crash. Okay, nothing crashed. Nice. And while this is loading up, let's remove out and work one more time, and let's open profile diff and let's make an XC image this time. So that the ISO will be smaller. It's just 6 gigabytes. I think that's really good. And let's build up a new release. Actually, let's just go like this, and I will remove that sysinstall package because it's not needed on my computer. Okay, this is nearly done. Let's see if the system boots properly, and let's see if we are able to see Lux Unlock menu as well. And ISO is building up. I think this should be okay now. I hope. Okay, do your things. Okay, let's restart now. I probably need to close these, I think. I hate this. How can I click restart now? Okay, I will just close it and relaunch it. Oops. Okay, this is weird. It installed correctly previously, but now we are not able to boot. Let's try installing one more time. These issues might be caused because I am running Squash FS in the other tab. I hope it's because of that, because I didn't add anything. Yeah, I didn't add anything that would mess up with boot. Let's wait for some time. I'm pretty sure it's happening because of that. Okay, we see the icon. Good news. Encryption, yes. Let's set a password now. Continue. Okay, Calamares is here. Next, delete. My name. Use the same. Next. Install now. Okay. This is at 40% too. Okay, so now we wait. After this is done, I will try to reinstall this in my current computer as well, because it's messed up a bit, and I'm having issues with Steam games, like they're not launching. If this runs correctly, I will be the first one to test this in bare metal, at least. Okay, now we wait. This will probably finish faster than that. So while that is, yes, this is nearly finished. Perfect. Okay, so let's cd into out. So let's create our SHA thing. So okay, I need to move this first. So mv files ISO to okay, I will move this to here, if that doesn't make sense. Show some this. What? Oh, okay. Because of that. Yes. Greater than dot show this, and now this command. Yes. Like this. And attach binaries. So ISO, this, the ISO, and this SHA file, these three. And this is running in the background. Okay, now we wait, guys. Ay. Okay, all done. Let's reboot. Please don't give stupid errors, please. Okay, nice. We see the grub. Now we need to see a prompt. Kaçıyor benden. Okay, where's our prompt? Okay, I don't think this is a serious problem, so let's enter our root password. That's probably because my system is a little bit laggy right now. Okay, this is the new login screen, and everything seems to be running perfectly, I think. But this got me confused because our PS1 doesn't seem to be working correctly. Okay, why is a Z shell RC here? Why is this here? I don't know. There are lots of unnecessary files in here. I will find out why that's happening, but let's see if we force the dot files, what would happen. Okay. Okay, let's see why that is happening as well. So there are several files that have been put in here, and I wonder where these came from. Okay, this is odd. I do not have a Z shell RC, I think, in this place. So aroot fs, do I have? No, I don't have. I don't have it in here as well. Shh. 1 second, guys. Babana şey işine koyuyorum. Yaramazlık yapıyor. Okay, I don't know why those files are there, but maybe they are automatically generated. Bash. Why bash? Okay. One more small problem. So, okay, we need to do it from scratch one more time. I hate this. Okay, user shell is bin Z shell, but it's not set to bin Z shell after the installation is done. I don't know why. But that were we root there? I don't think so. We were probably not root. But I will check it again just to be sure. This is perfect. It's running properly at least. So I think I can use this for my current computer. Okay, root is Z shell, but user is shell. I think that is related with Calamares configurations again. So I will try to take a look at it from this Arco Linux guy again. So Calamares, modules and users.conf, I think. Let's try to see. User shell bin bash. This is not correct. It sets for the root user. That seems not correct. Okay, I will just try to do something like this. So github.com calamares, okay. So in here I will go to source, modules, and users. Do we have a Python file somewhere around here? Let's take a look at the YAML file. this is not it. Let's check users.com. Nope. What is users queue? Actually, I will also check the issues again, and I will search for shell in here. And okay, this is wrong. It says for root user, but not for the user that we created. And I'm pretty sure this is a Calamares issue. So we don't need bash most of the time, so I think it's safe to change everything that is related with bash to Z shell. And I have no idea what package put this in here, and it says it's February 2. So pacman query package query file that belongs to package. Let's see if we can query it. QO. No package owns this. Okay, cool. Okay, that could be handled as well. Actually, that Z shell RC is not a problem because I've set most of the things in Z profile. So our Z profile seems fine. This is okay. That's cool. So we probably need a simple set command. So let's be sudo. And let's do something like this. So set -i and spipe. So change bin bash to bin z shell for everything in this file. Then after we did this, let's try to reboot the computer, and we need to do the ISO again, unfortunately. So in the ISO, actually I'm not even sure if we need to do it in the ISO or not. We probably need to do that in a file instead of an ISO. So this calls files-final, okay? Then let's go to procs, system, and I think it's in sysinstall, so files-final, yeah, this in here, and after this we need to do something like this. So set -i s bar, so bin bash, change all bin bash to bin z shell for everything in etc password. Should be like this. Let's run a git status. Let's add let's push change shell to z shell, and let's push. Let's go to package build. Let's go to sysinstall and let's go to repo. So sysinstall, right? Okay. So this will be release 6. Okay, let's run package 5. And I think I can even stop the upload for now at least. Okay. So let's add repo sysinstall. Okay, let's start. This is probably trying to update Git files, I think, in the background. I will unplug my phone. I hope that won't disturb anything. Oh, okay. We are having a pcom lag, which is totally normal. Okay, this works. Then the new ISO should work. Let's run sy. Let's build the image. I will try this image. I don't know why Calamares just applied shell to only root user, but it's hard to write an installer. I'm not blaming them. I wonder if Calamares is now supporting Lux or something. Let's see. No. I have no idea why they can't support Lux. I really don't know, because they are like a team of 100 people. I just edited their Python files and run some custom commands in the background, and I'm able to use both Lux and LVM installation. That's odd. and that Calamares issues been around like, I don't know, 1 year, maybe 1.5 years. They couldn't handle it. Okay, cool. I hope this would be the last, and we will end our session today, guys. Okay, it's building the ISO image. 32%. Okay, so I was going to merge Picom if I remember correctly, guys. So while it's building the image, let's continue on with that. So source backend dot header. Okay, lerp is added. So source backend gl common.c. Okay, this is done as well. So what issue are we having here? Conflicting types for GL compose. Okay, in here. So this needs to be gone, and we need to add lerp to here. Actually, I will check it one more time, because yes, okay. So let's check lerp. Actually, not lerp, but we need to check compose, I think. If I wrote it, I probably have written it for something. lerp. I think I should have used it somewhere. There is a 1 here, so I'm just giving lerp as true in here, but it should be used somewhere else as well. So this is the declaration. This is this the only one? Column gl compose. So backend gl common.c. Let's check for gl compose one more time. So it could be only compose, it seems. So let's see. Compose. Where are we running compose? We are calling it in backend. Is it done? Okay, it's done. So I will sudo mv this. I will go into ISO, and what was the command for? So SHA thing and GPG export overwrite, yes. And now upload these files. So delete these. This file. Okay. ISO, where's ISO? Here. These 3 to be uploaded. Try again with a file smaller than blah blah. Okay, I don't know why that's happening. Let's try it one more time. GitHub is probably not GitHub does not allowing me to do it. So let's try to remove these 3. Maybe that would open up some space for the new release, I hope. Or otherwise GitHub is just asking for money, I think. Let's see. So let's try it one more time. No. Okay. It does not let me upload that file. This sucks. GitHub probably updated. GitHub probably updated their. Okay, this sucks. GitHub max file size limit. Yes, it is. They changed their storage limits. This is bad. Yeah, it's asking for money. Okay, that sucks, but nothing to do. Guys, I am stopping the stream now because I will try the ISO in my current computer, and I will let you know of the recent updates if it works properly. So take care, guys. Bye bye.